In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $31,751 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic. And I made this commission just in 3 months, from the first day of the month of May until the day 27 of the month of July. Okay, I made $31,751. I will share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission using free traffic. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products from me, people who used my affiliate links to sign up to this website, and so on. Okay, I can click here. It's not screenshots, guys. Okay, this is my dashboard. This is I have marketing tools here, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliates, and so on. Okay, anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and you can make really a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, all you have to do, as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. Okay, sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote to earn commission. Okay, so what we will do, guys, to use free traffic is we will use YouTube. Okay, we will promote our affiliate links on YouTube because YouTube has a lot of traffic. Okay, so let me show you how you can choose good and profitable services that you need to start promoting on YouTube to earn commission. All you have to do is you need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, open your YouTube homepage. So why I choose YouTube? So let me show you guys, because YouTube is really has a lot of visitors. You guys can see, do you see how many visitors YouTube has? It's 31 billion monthly visitors. That's a really a big number, because guys, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And if you guys start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube, you start creating good videos that you will use to promote those affiliate links, you can make a lot of commissions and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, anyway, so what you will do, you will open your YouTube homepage and you will click here on the search. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on YouTube, what we will do is we will try to choose services related to YouTube. Okay, services that will help people who has YouTube channels to grow their YouTube channels, to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their businesses on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do, I will ask question. So just use the search bar and ask how to, let's say for example, how to edit YouTube, and here you go. You guys can see people, this is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for. Those people are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, how to edit YouTube videos on your phone, how to edit YouTube shorts, how to edit YouTube videos on CapCut. Okay, so those people who are searching for those topics, what you will do next, they will be interested. You will go back to Fiverr. Let me show you. Those people who are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, they will be interested to buy YouTube. Let me show you YouTube editing, YouTube editor or YouTube editing. Okay, let's search for YouTube editor. So those people who are searching for how to edit YouTube videos, those people, guys, will be interested to buy these services. And you guys can see they are already people already paying for those services. Do you see, guys? Those sellers, how many reviews those sellers has? Look like this one, 101 reviews, 100 people paid for this one. This one, it's also close to 100. This one, over 1,000 people paid for this service. Okay, so which people are buying those services? Okay, which people? Of course, only people who has YouTube channels, people who want to grow their YouTube channels. And this seller is top rated seller. He can do professional video editing for those people to help them get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. And that's it. It makes sense. Okay, so what you will do, I want you to pay attention. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, and top rated sellers. Okay, so for me, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service because this one is doing a good job. He can make a professional. Over 1,000 people paid for this service, and people keep coming back. They are still keep coming and buying more services. Okay, so those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working, if it's not working, why those people are still buying those services? Okay, why people keep coming back? Why the seller has a lot of orders in queue, a lot of reviews? Okay, you guys just need to stay consistent. If you will try this for 1 week or 1 month, just don't, please. Okay, just go, because all online businesses takes time. Okay, any business that you want to start will take time. Okay, and you guys want to really to see the result overnight, and that's not working like that, and that's what you guys quit very quick. You guys quit. Okay, that's the problem. You don't stay consistent. Okay, anyway, and as you can see, guys, so what you will do, you will go, so we are here in this seller profile page. So what we will do next, we will copy the link of this profile seller. Okay, like this. Okay, and what we will do next is we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account, and we have here our dashboard. We will click here. We have dashboard, we have marketing tools, and we have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go back to this seller profile page, and as you can see, guys, this seller has a video. Let's check his video.
I'm so glad you clicked play because you literally just found the best video editor on Fiverr. My name is Mark Santos and I have more than 200,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel and more than 10 years of video editing experience.
Guys, this seller is a really good seller, has over 10 years of video editing experience, can help people edit their YouTube videos to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. So what you will do next, double click on the video and click here on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, so just click on save. I'm gonna name it YouTube editing. And what you will do next, you will go back to Google. Go back to Google, search for Canva like this. Search for Canva. It's super easy. Okay, you don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0 using free traffic. Okay, just follow those steps. Go to Canva, search. Go to Google, search for Canva. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click here on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file like this and upload this video about YouTube editing. Okay, click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and here you go. Your video will be over here. Okay,
I'm so glad you clicked.
all you have to do is you just need to click here on this 3 point and click on set video as background. Okay, click on text. Click on text, scroll down, just click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be in the front of your video like this. Click on this one. I'm gonna delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click on this text and write the sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description, and that's it. Because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Click here on element. Okay, click on element and scroll down. Let me show you. Go over here to shapes and choose this one and put this shape behind your text, so just to make it clear and good like this. And here you go. All you have to do next, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go back to your YouTube homepage and open your YouTube channel. It's for free, guys. It's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. Okay, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title, how to edit YouTube videos. Okay, use this title exactly like this. Just copy and paste. Don't add or change anything. Okay, because you need to use this. Your title should have those keywords that people are using to search for those topics. Okay, that's why your title should be like this: how to edit YouTube videos. After you upload your video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's almost like 5 years now and I'm still doing this business. That's why I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. In your YouTube description, also use this keyword, how to edit. If you can, for example, write in your YouTube description, learn how to edit YouTube videos here. And in this title, put your affiliate link, and that's it. That's how we can start promoting those affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, and you guys can also upload this video as Creative Commons, so you will not get any trouble with copyright issue on YouTube. Okay, and that's it. It's easy, guys, super easy. That's how we can promote your affiliate links on YouTube and try to focus on services that are related to YouTube that will help people to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, you can make a lot of money with this business model if you stay consistent, if you keep learning, keep improving your videos, keep improving your strategies, and stay consistent. And that's it. And guys, I'm not just using YouTube to earn this commission that I show you. I'm also using TikTok, I'm using Facebook, I'm using Instagram, I'm using a lot of social media platforms that helped me to get free traffic and make a lot of commission every single month. And that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments and I will answer all your questions. And if you want to see more videos like this about affiliate marketing, comment in this video affiliate marketing and they will start sharing with you a lot of new methods that you should start using to make commissions. Okay, see you in my next videos.